you for the last month how it has went and how the file works. This is the Excel dashboard which I developed based on all the 150 plus rules for based on the financial astrology rules, and that rules how it works helped out in identifying the market trend in advance actually. So for the this is a backtest result I have developed actually for the past starting from 1st January 2021 actually. So from 1st January 2021 till date there are almost 271 trading days actually. In 271 trading days, the major fail is what it is a complete failure. We not got any success on the view, which is coming 21 days out of 271 days, which is almost 7.7% time actually of the times. Otherwise, we are getting success in most of the times here. If you see here, the success ratio is almost 90% here, and even if you are able to get even say 100 points in a day, also more is sufficient actually. So, but thing is that you should have the destiny to earn this profit actually. That's very, very important actually. But however, for people who are already in the trading and who are interested to know the astrology view for the markets in advance, for the entire full year also is possible actually based on this. So the data I have already collected till 31st December 2022 and the information is already available. First, we will see how the performance happened for the month of January. It's the first thing. Starting from January, if you see here, starting from January, there are 3 failures actually, which is 7th, 10th and 12th. Otherwise, all have been giving you very good results actually. So let us see one by one how you have to use the view actually. So let us see from 3rd January. 3rd January, this is the view what you'll get from the system based on the rules. The entire rules database is here actually. Sarvata Bhadchakra rules are also here. I'm adding some new rules for the based on the moon also in Sarvata Bhadchakra. So all the rules are here mentioned here. Entire rule system is there. And practically speaking, even if you're learning financial astrology from anybody actually, but all the rules you have to apply and calculate will take you at least not less 4 to 5 hours manually for per day. Now here we are getting, by just clicking the date here, we are getting the Astro view in advance in just calculating less than a second actually. In less than a second we are getting the view. That's the beauty of this actually. When the view for the day is positive, if you see here, we opened, it is a previous day close and they opened just almost 100 points above this, and after that we went almost 1000 points above. So that when the view is positive, the planetary positions are highly synced to give the market some boost. So always if you see here, the opening price is the first trigger point for you to cut your losses, or the previous day is low, you can keep a loss. Most of the times you just keep your opening prices and previous day close as a stop loss for all your long positions or short positions, whatever. So in this case, if you see here, 35,482 was the previous day close, 35,527. We never went below the previous day close also. So that way this day was a very good return on the positive side actually. Next day if you see here, 36,422 we opened a gap up, and though we went 36,374 slightly and open price by 200 points, again we went above this because of positive view. So because assume that the 3 days in an entire month can be failure, otherwise it can be success. So if you are not having a patience to hold, then you can just exit on the opening itself. If you have a closing position basis, you can at the opening itself close it, and then again you enter after above the opening price. As I told you, opening and the previous close are very, very important. Next, if you see the next day, for this for the bank nifty and this for the nifty actually. Next day, if you see here, we opened at the 100 points above, and after that we went almost 800 900 points went above the opening price actually. So always opening price and the previous day close is very important price. You have to keep as a stop loss. And again, if you are getting a price, if you went below this and then again moved up again. So once you start moving up, then we can get into the price action again and ride the wave on the upside. Your target should be say 100 200 points also. If you get it more sufficient, then you put a trailing stop loss to capture the ride. Next day, if you see here, 6th January, there is a negative. It is a negative view, and then the negative view, what you can see here, opening, what's the price, about 400 500 points we got the gap done actually. So in advance, when you see the price action here happening, when what are the views, most of times if you get in the opening itself, okay, if you're not getting opening and then you see opposite view happening in the morning time, for example, it's a negative view and you see gap up above this price, then negative view means then buying a put option can be a very good rewarding thing. Similarly, a view is positive, and then you see what are the gap, the market is opening gap down. Then we are going to see that the scenario also where the market is opening against the view in the opening. Then look for buying the call option. That will be giving good return actually. So the opening against the view when you're opening, then it's a very good time to buy the opposite action, call option or put option depending on the view. So in this case here, the negative view was there. The market opened already gap down, and opening what are the position you have been holding overnight will be going good returns, and you should exit. Next day, if you see here, next day was a failure. I told you 7th, 10th and 12th. 3 days was a failure, and sometimes like trying to fix 100% of the success rate is not good actually. So I just kept as it is, and I don't want to disturb the system, because getting 100% success is dangerous. Okay, that's what I feel. I don't want to be like holy grail of a system. So let it, the system give some errors. That's okay, fine. Because when you try to get into 100% success rates, it becomes like unwanted problem for the nature. Now let us go to the system. And next one is 10th. It was a failure. You can just see here negative view was there and opened against the view, and you buy here. Even see for here, if you see here, even you buy here the put option here. What happened here? When the price goes below the open, when your price goes below the open, that time you buy a put option. What happened here? It just was around the same price here, lower. It was not moving at all, and it made a high of 3400. So that time there is not giving a opportunity for you to buy a put option or call option in favor of the view, because the price was at the opening price itself. Next is the 11th. 11th was a okay day, good day, because if you see opening price 348, it opened against our view here. Then you buy a put option here. Then what happened here? Then it went almost 300 points. It gave actually. Even if you capture 100 points at the money, if you're buying a put option, it would have made some decent 100 points here by buying the put option here. Next, 12th January is a failure. The next date was, if you, I'm just focusing only on Bank Nifty, you can see how the Nifty reacted also accordingly. Now, if you see here, the previous close was 38,278, and then the high was 38,718, and then after that we gave a good 300 points move on the downside. So this is the view how it keeps on going here. And now if you see today, latest last week, how it happened here. Normally I give the view to the gold numbers actually in advance. So this is Telegram channel where I give the view in advance here. On 28th I gave the view, 28th January I gave the view. So negative, positive, positive. 3 days, 2 days negative. Thursday and Friday was a negative actually. Now here in the view we will see here, but made some small improvements in the view as the rules actually. So that's the reason if you're getting some fighting happened in the view. If you see here, it is a positive view, and now we got the success here. And then the next view is on 1st February. It also gave a success here, almost 500 points. The opening itself we got here. So most of the times if you are getting in the opening view, then you can just close the positions on the opening time and then exit here. After that also it made a high of another 400 points actually. So this will be a very good opportunity if you are having an opening position here. And then next year, here also it is a positive view for 2nd February. And then the next day it was a negative view for Thursday and Friday. So out of the view, whatever given already to the members here for the last week, so only this was the wrong happened because of the rule change. Now otherwise that also got fixed. So the next week view also is already ready. I'll be circulating to the gold members by end of this week actually. So this is how the financial strategy, the Excel dashboard works, and there is no need for any pre-knowledge for this thing. The rules are already there. If you know already the financial strategy, then you can check the rules here, and then you can improvise on this, and you can take it forward to the next level actually. Now, what is the next thing you want to see here is, so I'm just want to you want benefit for this astrology. What are the file I have? If you want to buy this on the behalf of Basant Panchami today, so this Excel dashboard already I gave one offer here at 15,000 rupees, and today only for today will be you can get this file like this Excel dashboard whatever I given here. You can see for say 14th August. I want to see for 14th August. Let me just 12th August. So 12th August, you can see the view already is coming here. Any day till end of the year, you'll be able to get the view. So that this is a possibility in this file, and also the data is from already from all past 2007 is there, but the data is properly done from 2020 actually. So 1st January 2020, the data is already available here. you can do the backtesting also. And after the next year 2023, if you want data, then I can try to give you because however I have to update this for my file also. I'll be able to arrange the data by end of the year, by around November, December, something like that. So you can contact me and I'll be able to arrange the data. I'm not going to charge you for that. Maybe a small 500,000 rupees will be the cost for you. And the full year Astro view is already available. So this Excel dashboard, if you want to buy only for today, you can get for 11,000, and you need to have Office 365 to see the view. So because this 11,000 rupees is not a big deal if you see here, and then the whatever the cost is coming to divided by say 200 trading days also, it is coming to 50 rupees per day. That's it. 50 rupees per day is not a big deal if you see the value of this, and it's a complete it's a wealth of treasure of rules for the financial strategy. If you're really interested in financial strategy, you want to make it to the next level, and definitely it is worth having this file actually. Don't miss this. So it is up to you, like how you want to decide. And then astrology course also available. Normally it's 5,000 rupees. Only for today you can get for 4,000 rupees. You will get the recording of the webinars and also the presentation PDF you will get. And only for today it will be 4,000 rupees. And even if you buy both or a single whatever, any one if you buy also, you will get the trend chart for 2022. Based on the view whatever I made some chart telling you from how the market can move in the entire year, ups and downs, where you can see how the market will behave for entire 2022 for Nifty, Bank Nifty. I have made one chart. I'm going to give it for free. So this will be for free who are buying this, any one of the three. And the day-wise Astro view for 2022, I'm not interested in spending so much for this Excel dashboard. I want to just buy the view, only the view I wanted here. This is only the negative view, positive view. Whatever is there for day-wise I wanted, means you can buy that for just 2,500 rupees. So any three things are the products you want to buy, you can buy it. And any one you buy also, you get the trend chart for free actually. This is all the prices are only for today. So you just don't miss it. And I'm going to ensure that you will get the best of the deal, value for money for whatever you are buying. Any doubts who are here, maybe ask me so that I can answer you. So everything is all the here the rates are also coming in. Only thing after buying this Excel dashboard, what you have to do is that you have to update the rates here, the rates for the day-wise data. So here I am putting this day-wise the rates open, high, low, close for Bank Nifty, Nifty, that you can get automatically. The data will flow automatically from Microsoft Money website. So that data you can just copy paste here, so that the candle you will get here for the day here for current day. If you see here, this is a current day, and the candle you will get automatically based on the open, high, low, close. So this is all about this file. And anybody who wanted to contact me on this, any more details, you can just call WhatsApp me at this number 86101-43936. So try to use this opportunity, and definitely it's going to be worth the value for money, and I'm sure it's going to help you a lot in your trading career and improve your success ratio.